Currently, at least 900,000 people die each year due to drug-resistant diseases. Drug-resistant diseases could cause 10 million deaths each year by 2050. Damage to the economy would be as catastrophic as the financial crisis of 2008. By 2030, antimicrobial resistance could force up to 24 million people into extreme poverty. More and more common diseases are untreatable. Life-saving medical procedures are becoming much riskier, and food systems are increasingly precarious.
Hospital-acquired infections are an ongoing problem for hospitals, healthcare providers all around the world. Patients can be exposed to these when they attend a hospital or healthcare facility for a routine operation or procedure, and they catch a more serious infection such as MRSA or Pseudomonas. Elers Medical have a range of products which are proven and tested that can actively reduce the chances of acquiring an HAI within a hospital setting.
Elers Medical was established to transform the health and well-being of millions of people worldwide. As a Nordic company having its two head offices in Helsinki, Finland and California, we work constantly to find ways to reduce hospital-acquired infections, and these account for 140,000 deaths and over $40 billion in direct hospital costs annually. These figures are only in the European Union and USA. Today, we design and manufacture a complete range of over 30 different unique professional infection control products. We believe that everyone, no matter who they are or wherever they are in the world, deserve safe healthcare environments.
The COVID-19 pandemic highlighted the absolute need for infection control products in hospitals. Elers Medical worked extensively from the beginning of the pandemic with new companies under our R&D project to develop rapid testing systems. And going forward, these mechanisms and new ways of doing things are going to be developed and rolled out. So if another pandemic ever happens again, the world's going to be more prepared and ready and have everything in place to deal with it swiftly and efficiently.
I'm a clinical microbiologist. I work for Steripolar company as a development manager. In healthcare, we are fighting against invisible enemies. So we can't see the bacteria and viruses that are living on surfaces and, for example, on privacy curtains. So the healthcare environment, there is about 10% of those microbes that can also cause diseases. And once you see them or make them visible, so then you know that you have to do something to protect yourself and protect your patient.
Commonly used cotton, polyviscose and polyester curtains, which are supposed to be washed every 3 months, are often at the most risk, having not been washed at all. Therefore, any bacteria that is present on the surface of these curtains then has the potential to be transported onto the patient's skin. And that's where the hospital-acquired infection problem begins. Elers Medical developed the antimicrobial disposable privacy curtain to give infection control practitioners a tool that would help reduce the possibility of hospital-acquired infections or pathogen transfer from the surface of the curtain onto the patient.
People always think that if you use disposable products, so you make more garbage. But that's going to change now because most of the disposable materials are used again, so they are recyclable. For example, the Elers Medical curtains, so they are at least 20% made out of recycled material today, and it's going to turn, the percentage is going higher and higher.
Our response to the pandemic was quickly to make sure that everything we manufacture is 100% recyclable. We don't have chemicals in the products that would make them unrecyclable. We also were in touch instantly with the companies that are able to recycle 100% polypropylene-based products, which most of the pandemic products are. And right now, today, it was a good start for a greener hospital environment in the future as well, because these technologies that were developed and patented during the pandemic lead the way to a hospital that is capable of recycling its disposable single-use items 100%.
In order for Elers Medical to grow the business sustainably and ethically, we must constantly look forward and keep abreast of any changing trends or requirements within the healthcare sectors and ensure that we maintain our high standards and also take a little bit of responsibility in what we do when we are manufacturing products. Then if we can do some small part to reduce our carbon footprint on the planet, then we're doing a good thing.